Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning has broken like the first morning. Blackbirds have spoken like the first birds. Praise for them singing, praise for the morning. God's recreation of a new day. My people, good morning. My powerful MVP family, good morning to you. This morning, good morning, good morning. This morning, good morning, son. This morning, I'm just, good morning, thank you. Thank you, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. So, I will. What locker numbers are available? We don't have a lock as yet, so
there's like a locker with a boot in it. Yes, with snowshoes, like winter shoes. They're called boots.
all right. So just bring them and put them in. Come here, Leah. Go with them. Well, we need a lock. Please do not leave anything. Keep your phone in your pocket until we get a lock for your locker. You could go with them. Thank you. Yes, guys, this morning I thought about this thing and I said, it's a beautiful day. It's raining where we are, but it's still a beautiful day. So I'm hoping that whatever you're doing today, that you make it a beautiful, just make it a beautiful day by choice, regardless. Because I thought this morning, I was coming and I said, do leopards ever change their spots? And years you hear these sayings, leopards never change their spots. And this morning I want to ask you, what do you think? Because I personally, I can say this, that leopards do change their spots sometimes. When they get in the mud and they cover their spots with the mud, but then as the rain comes and the mud washes off, they become who they really are again, which is a leopard with spots. So I know that because so many times people come in your lives, and they come in and they cover up the spots with all that mud and they act so nicely. And then once they realize that they cannot control you, then they become their true self. So yes, I feel like there are a lot of people, we get in relationships, even in families where people just pretend, and then as soon as they want you to do this and you decide not to, or they want to, you work hard and you build, and then you have people who just come in and all of a sudden they don't like this and they don't want this and they don't want that. And if you disagree, all of a sudden, all the praise and all the worth, it just disappears. Good morning, my principal. How are you?
Good morning.
This is a new day. All right, my YouTube family, please be good to yourselves. Remember to keep your hands in the hands of that man who stills the water and calms the sea. He still does. Make it a great day by choice.